Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is continuous uniform distribution. In this topic we will learn continuous uniform distribution result 1. There are few results in this topic continuous uniform distribution. We will learn all the results one by one. So we shall start with the first result 1 of continuous uniform distribution. Let us see what is the result 1. Result 1 is if x follow uniform over A to B, then the distribution of x minus A divided by B minus A is follow uniform 0 1. This we have to prove it. So the proof is, since x is uniform over A to B, the PDF of x is fx equal to 1 upon B minus A for A less than equal to x less than equal to B and 0 otherwise. This we have seen in the first lecture of continuous uniform distribution as we have taken earlier. If students want to know what is continuous uniform distribution and its definition, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Let us define a new variable y is equal to x minus a divided by b minus a. Our variable under study is x. Now we transform x to y by univariate transformation x minus a divided by b minus a. In this case, the PDF of y is given by, suppose PDF of y is say gy is equal to PDF of x multiplied by absolute value of dx by dy. This is the univariate transformation of a continuous monotonic function, which we have studied in the first standard of BSc. So here first we have to calculate this dx by dy. Now let us calculate the dy by dx. Here is y. Differentiate this expression, say it is equation number 1 with respect to x. We will get, take this b minus 1 outside and differentiate the factor x minus a. The differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 and a is constant, so its derivative is 0. Hence dy by dx is 1 upon b minus a. Now let us calculate dx upon dy. Dx by dy by reciprocating dy by dx. So it is substitute all the values in PDF of y, that is gy equal to fx into absolute value of dx by dy. We get this fx is nothing but the PDF of x, which is uniform over a to b, and dx by dy is b minus a. Since b is greater than a, this absolute difference is positive, and it is b minus a. This b minus a get cancelled, so gy is 1. Here we get the PDF of y. One point is remaining. What is the range of y? For that, we shall calculate the range of y. As we know that since x lies between a to b, we shall calculate the value of y for a and b. Put x equal to a in y, we get zero. Similarly, put x equal to b in y, we get b minus a divided by b minus a, that is 1. Hence here, as x lies between a to b, a and b, y will lies between 0 and 1. The range of y is 0 to 1. Therefore, the PDF of y becomes gy equal to 1 for 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 1. And hence, from this expression, we see that the PDF of y is uniform 0 1, uniform 0 1. Therefore, y follows uniform distribution over 0 and 1. How it is uniform? Suppose if y is uniform 0 1, let us write the PDF of y. What will be the PDF of y? According to PDF of x is 1 upon b minus a. Here b is 1 and a is 0. So it is 1 for 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 1. Hence, y follows uniform 0 1. Therefore, if x follow uniform a to b, then y which is x minus a upon b minus a, will follow uniform over 0 to 1. Hence the result. This is our result. Here we have learned the result 1 of continuous uniform distribution. If a variable x follow uniform over a to b, then its univariate transformation x minus a by b minus a will follow the uniform distribution with parameters not a b but 0 and 1. In the previous lectures, we have learned many more concepts of continuous uniform distribution. If students want to learn all the terms of continuous uniform distribution, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. Similarly, the basic concepts of statistics are also we have learned in the different lectures. The link of all that lecture are given in the description box, and you can directly go to that lectures by clicking on the I button at the top right corner of the screen. If student like this lecture, then press to like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel for more statistical upcoming lectures. In this way, we will stop here and we will meet in the next lecture with the next term of continuous uniform distribution. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.